Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making bread stuffed with spinach and cheese. Not only does it taste great, it's easy to make, and also you can serve it as an appetizer or even a full meal. You're going to need 4.5 cups flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup warm milk, half a cup oil, 2/3 cup kefir or yogurt, and 1 egg. Start with the flour and make a room in the center for milk and yeast. Add warm milk in the center. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Add 1 spoon of sugar. And then mix it slowly only in the center to activate the yeast for about 5 minutes. After yeast is activated, you can start kneading the dough. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add kefir or yogurt. Add half a cup oil. And 1 egg. Take it out of the bowl and stop kneading it by hand until it stops sticking to your hands and end up to be soft and smooth. Use a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, to oil bowl and dough. Then cover with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. For fill, you're going to need 250 grams spinach, 2 eggs, 150 grams cheese, any cheese, 150 grams butter. Cut spinach really small. Add 2 eggs. Add cheese. I use feta cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. And then just mix it well. Put a little bit of oil in your working area. We're going to be using oil instead of flour. After the dough is doubled in size, we're just going to take it out of the bowl and stretch it. Then cut the dough into 8 to 10 even pieces. Shape each one of them in a nice round bowl. It's going to be easier to roll them. Take the first ball and stretch it as thin as you can. Cover the top with the butter. Then fold the top third down and the bottom third up, and then butter this dry area, and then roll it as tight as you can from the bottom up. And keep tightening it as you go. Now repeat all that with the remaining balls that you have. After you finish rolling all of the balls, take the rolled up dough and squeeze it down and place it in a pan. Cover them with the towel and leave them to rest for about 15 minutes. Take the spoon and in each one of them, push it down and make the room for fill. And don't worry about it, you can actually stretch it with your hands and push it down. It's pretty durable, but make enough room to fill it. After I'm done filling them up, I push it even further down so the edge of each roll is above the fill. You don't have to do this, but I like to put some Parmesan cheese on top of it before I put it in the oven. Bake it at 360 for 35 to 40 minutes. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that came out to be. I wish you can smell it. Maybe you need to make it so you can have a full experience of this beautiful bread. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.